What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mushroom chocolate. Super easy. You're going to only need 3 things. Let's get to it. So one of the first things you're going to need is the chocolate, of course. Here I got 3 bars of Dollar Tree chocolate. It is 100 grams each, and you can use any chocolate for this. The next thing you're going to need is a grinder. You can use a mortar and pestle or a blender, doesn't matter. I used a cheap coffee grinder because it's the only thing I'm using it for. Whatever method to get it to a fine powder will work, it doesn't matter. And the third and final thing you're going to need is any method of heating up and melting your chocolate, breaking it up into chunks, and then using 30-second intervals so the chocolate doesn't burn and sit. And then I stir it up and then do another 30, stir it up and do another until you get the consistency that you want. You want that thing dripping. Now that you have the desired consistency, all you need to do is mix in your powdered mushrooms, give it a good stir, and then you pour it into whatever mold that you have. I completely ruined my pour shot, so I completely messed up that pour shot. So yeah, you just pour it into the mold. I got a really ghetto mold here that I made out of tinfoil. This could be a massive slab of chocolate. But yeah, you throw this into the fridge, let it set, and that's it. So here we are a couple hours later. Like I said, a gigantic slab. Take a chunk off, give it a taste test. Get myself a quarter piece, as you can see. Just put this in there. Give it a bite. Tastes just like chocolate, and it's kind of obvious, but since this is all fine powdered and all that, you really can't taste the mushrooms, so consuming it, it's a lot better. I like it, I prefer it, so hopefully this helped you guys. If it did,